In today's deep dive, we're turning our focus to one of the most anticipated mirrorless camera releases in recent memory, the Sony A7V. If you've been keeping an eye on full-frame mirrorless camera developments, or are an enthusiast or pro looking to upgrade your gear, this one's going to excite you. According to multiple industry insiders and photography forums, Sony's Alpha A7V mirrorless camera could be officially announced as early as May 21st. Although unconfirmed, the buzz around this date is growing, fueled by Sony's recent registration of a new camera model in China, a move that traditionally precedes a major product launch. Let's break down what we know and what we expect about the Sony A7V specs, features and design, and why it could become one of the most balanced and versatile cameras in Sony's Alpha lineup. Cutting-edge sensor technology, a game changer for hybrid shooters. At the core of the rumored Sony A7V is a 44-megapixel full-frame Exmor RC CMOS sensor, possibly featuring a partially stacked architecture. This sensor innovation is expected to dramatically improve readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter artifacts, and increasing responsiveness, especially crucial for dynamic subjects like athletes, wildlife, or fast-moving events. With 44-megapixel resolution, the Sony A7V hits a sweet spot between ultra-detailed landscape portrait photography and manageable file sizes for editing workflows. If confirmed, this will appeal to professional content creators, hybrid shooters, and photojournalists looking for high detail without the storage demands of ultra-high-res sensors, like in the A7R series. Serious firepower for videographers, 4K. 120 FPS and 8K support for filmmakers and content creators, the A7V may come loaded with serious video specs. Reports indicate that the camera could record 4K at 120 FPS, delivering ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with sharp clarity. Even more impressive, some rumors suggest 8K video recording at 30 FPS, putting the A7V on par with flagship hybrid cameras, like the Canon EOS R5 and Nikon Z9. These capabilities position the A7V as a future-proof camera for video production, ideal for cinematic creators, YouTubers, and indie filmmakers who need both high-resolution and slow-motion options in a single body. Next-gen autofocus. Powered by artificial intelligence, autofocus technology is another area where Sony is expected to make big strides. The Sony A7V autofocus system is rumored to build on the company's industry-leading subject detection with AI-enhanced real-time IAF for humans and animals, including birds and pets. AI-based tracking isn't just a flashy feature, it could be transformative for wildlife photography, sports photography, and even vlogging, where precise, reliable focus is essential. Combined with improved face detection and subject recognition, this could rival the best autofocus systems in the industry, including Canon's dual-pixel AF and Nikon's 3D tracking. Blazing fast, continuous shooting, up to 20 FPS another standout. Spec is the potential for burst shooting at up to 20 frames per second, either with the mechanical or electronic shutter. Whether you're covering fast-action sports, dance, or candid events, that kind of speed can be invaluable. It's especially appealing to event photographers, sports shooters, and photojournalists looking to catch the perfect moment in split-second situations. Stunning viewfinder and ergonomic redesign, looking through the lens, users are expected to enjoy a 5.76 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder. This TrueFinder EVF should provide a crystal-clear preview with high contrast and deep blacks, ideal for composing in bright daylight or adjusting exposure manually with confidence. In terms of camera body design, the A7V is expected to draw inspiration from the Sony A9 III. Expect ergonomic upgrades such as a deeper grip, repositioned buttons, and a more rugged, weather-resistant build. For professionals who shoot all day in challenging conditions, these quality-of-life enhancements can make a world of difference. Balancing the Alpha lineup. Where does the A7V fit? Sony's Alpha lineup has historically been segmented for different user needs: A7R series, extreme resolution for studio work; A9 series, high-speed performance for sports and action; A7S series, low light mastery and superior video quality. Now, the A7V looks to sit right in the middle, a perfect balance of speed, detail, and video prowess. It's not overkill in one area, but rather a jack-of-all-trades camera with elite capabilities across the board. For creators who shoot a mix of weddings, documentaries, YouTube videos, travel vlogs, or commercial work, the A7V could be the ultimate, all-in-one tool: connectivity, power, and storage. What to expect? While Sony hasn't revealed official details, trends in their recent cameras suggest that the A7V will likely support dual SD-CF Express Type-A card slots for redundancy and speed USB-C charging and data transfer Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for seamless remote control and image transfer enhanced IBIS for rock-steady handheld shooting. These features are essential for modern workflows where mobility, speed, and reliability are non-negotiable, especially for travel and run-and-gun videography. Potential release date and pricing outlook. While early speculation pointed toward a Q2 2025 release, recent updates hint at a possible unveiling on May 21st, 2025. That timeline matches Sony's typical release cadence following model registrations in Asia. Pricing remains a mystery, but if Sony aims to stay competitive in the full-frame mirrorless market, we can expect a price range between $2,499 and $2,299 USD, potentially undercutting or matching Canon's and Nikon's hybrid competitors. Final thoughts. Why the Sony A7V could be a breakthrough mirrorless camera. The Sony A7V isn't about one show-stopping feature. It's the sum of its parts that makes it a potential game-changer. A high-resolution, fast readout 44MP sensor 8K and 4K 1120p video recording AI-powered autofocus with animal and subject tracking, ergonomic improvements and robust build quality, flexible media handling, and pro connectivity. If Sony delivers even 80% of what's been rumored, the A7V could easily become the best all-around full-frame mirrorless camera of 2025. Ideal for hybrid creators, pro photographers, and even serious enthusiasts upgrading from an older alpha body or switching systems. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're passionate about photography tech, mirrorless camera rumors, and hands-on reviews. Let me know in the comments. Are you planning to buy the Sony A7V when it drops? Or are you waiting to see what Canon and Nikon counter with? Stay tuned for more deep dives, comparisons, and first-look breakdowns right here.